Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 7 December 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Misra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination because current affair plays an important role in all competitive exam. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And one thing, those who first visit Educational Wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Okay. Let's proceed. This was our previous two questions. We have to answer it first. Okay, our first question was, who is appointed as Fit India Movement Ambassador? Kuldeep, Hando, Ranveer Singh, Barun Dhawan, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is option A, Kuldeep Hando. Recently, the Dronacharya awardee Kuldeep Hando is appointed as the ambassador of the Fit India movement. He is the Ushu coach in the Team India. Okay. Ushu coach in the Team India. And one thing, remember, the Dronacharya award is given in the field of coaching, in the field of coach. Okay. Our second question was, who has topped the list of the wealthiest women in India? Deepika Padukone, Roshni Nadar Malhotra, Varsha Joshi, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is the chairperson of the SCL Technologies, Roshni Nadar Malhotra. Recently, the chairperson of the SCL Technology, Roshni Nadar Malhotra, has topped the list of the wealthiest women in India according to the second edition of Kotak Wealthiest Women Leading Wealthy Women Report. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, which state has become the first state in the country to conduct more than 2 crore tests by 2020, December 2020? More than 2 crore tests of COVID-19. Okay. West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, or option D, Manipur? Can you guess the answer here? The correct answer here is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has become the first state in the country to conduct more than 2 crore tests so far. Okay, Uttar Pradesh is news. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Chief Minister is Yogi Adityanath, and Anandiben Patel is the governor of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which country has become the second nation to plant flag on the moon? China, Russia, Italy, or option D, Japan? The correct answer here is option A, China. China has become the second nation to plant flag on the moon. The Chinese spacecraft Chang'e 5, the Chinese flag was raised on the moon surface recently. Okay, and I want to ask you one thing, that who is the first nation to plant flag on the moon? Please comment in the comment section. Okay, China is in news. The capital of China is Beijing. Renminbi is the currency of China, and Xi Jinping is the president of China. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. PETA India has named whom as the person of the year 2020? Sonu Sood, John Abraham, Amitabh Bachchan, or option D, none of these? As per you see the image of the Bollywood actor John Abraham here, the correct answer here is option B, John Abraham. Recently, PETA, the abbreviation of the PETA is People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals. Remember, People for the Ethical Treatments of Animals. India has recently named John Abraham as its person of the year 2020. Okay. Next question. Who became the first Indian to win 2020 Global Teacher Prize? Ranjit Singh Disale, Anand Kumar, Sushil Mishra, or option D, none of these? Can you guess the answer here? The correct answer here is option A, Ranjit Singh Disale. The correct answer here is Ranjit Singh Disale. It is for the first time. The Ranjit Singh Disale, a government teacher from the Jilla Parishad Primary School in Partiwadi village, Solapur district of Maharashtra, okay, has won the 2020 Global Teacher Prize, first time from India, and which carries about the prize money about $1 million, and about in our Indian currency it is 7.4 crore. 7.4 crore. Okay, you can see here the image of the famous teacher Ranjit Singh Disale, a government primary teacher from Maharashtra got this prestigious award. Okay. Next question. Who will lay the foundations and perform the Bhumi Pujan for the new parliament building in New Delhi? Narendra Modi, Ramnath Kovind, Amit Shah, Representative Om Birla. The correct answer here is Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, recently will lay the foundation and perform the Bhumi Pujan for the new parliament building in on December 10. Okay, going to be the Bhumi Pujan on December 10, and it is going to be performed by Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi. Okay. Next question. Who has been named as Asian of the Year by Singapore The Straits Times? Adar Ponawala, Hang Yong Hang, Ruichi Moristita. Option D, all of these. What is the answer here? The answer here is option D, all of these. All this personality has named as the Asian of the Year by Singapore The Straits Times. Okay, and the Serum Institute of India CEO Adar Ponawala from India, and the CEO of the Serum Institute. Okay, Serum Institute of India, the CEO Adar Ponawala has been named among the 6 people as the Asian of the Year by Singapore The Straits Times. Okay, this question is very much important, and remember the name of the first personality, Adar Ponawala, because he is from India, the CEO of the Serum Institute. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which bank has partnered with fintech lending platform RupeeFi to offer a business credit card powered by Visa? Yes Bank, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, or option D, SBI? What is the answer here? Can you guess the answer? The answer here is option B, Axis Bank. Recently, Axis Bank has partnered with fintech lending platform RupeeFi to offer a business credit card powered by Visa. Okay. Next question. Who has virtually released a postage stamp in former Prime Minister L.K. Gujral? Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Venkaiah Naidu, or option D, Prakash Javadekar? The correct answer here is Vice President of India, Mr. Venkaiah Naidu. The Vice President of India, Venkaiah Naidu, has virtually released a commemorative postage stamp in the honor of the late Prime Minister of India and the freedom fighter Inder Kumar Gujral. I.K. Gujral, Inder Kumar Gujral. Okay, you can see here the postage stamp. Next question. The first solar power plant of which state has been commissioned at Lungvale in December 2020? Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura, or option D, Sikkim? The correct answer here is option B, Mizoram here. Okay, the Mizoram's first solar power plant has been commissioned at where? At Lungvale in December 2020. And remember, Mizoram is in news. The capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. Chief Minister is Zoramthanga. Zoramthanga is the Chief Minister here. And governor is P.S. Sridharan Pillai. P.S. Sridharan Pillai is the governor of Mizoram. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Dineshwar Sharma passed away. He was the administrator of which union territories? The answer here is Lakshadweep. Option A is correct here. You can see here the image of the Dineshwar Sharma who recently passed away. Lakshadweep administrator Dineshwar Sharma recently passed away. He was also earlier the head at the IB, International, our IB, okay, Intelligence Bureau. As per you know, this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Okay, our first question is, in which state doctor prescription will not require for the RT-PCR test? Our second question is, who has been named as Kid of the Year award by Time Magazine? Please try to answer more in comment section in a comprehensive way. Thereby, a regular practice is done by you, and it is very much helpful for your competitive examinations. Okay. If you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thereby, many students got help. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe, and share as much as you can. Thereby, many students got help. And one thing, those who first visit Educational Wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Thank you. Have a great day.